Top 10 Auto Repair in Houston. 1. Premium Automotive, 5,790 reviews, Telephone Road. 2. J&T Automotive, 4.9 1491 reviews, Westview Dr. 3. Yes Auto Fix, Best Collision Repair, Transmission Repair Expert, Best Automobile Repair, 4.9 677 reviews, Stella Link Rd. 4. Orion Auto Service Incorporated, 4.9 384 reviews, Yale Street. 5. Master Car Care and Collision, 4.8 1303 reviews, Yale Street. 6. RMS Auto Care, 4.8 1158 reviews, Westheimer Rd. 7. Uptown Automotive Auto Body Shop Repair, 4.8 840 reviews, Hempstead Highway Suite B. 8. Midtown Auto Service and Repair, 4.8 509 reviews, Almeda Road. 9. Westside Automotive, 4.8 435 reviews, Oxford Park Dr. 10. Auto World Houston, 4.8 385 reviews, W Loop S.